Hello, a very good morning to everyone. My name is Sharmi. So today our group members going to present about MIMOSA pudica, known as a sleepy plant, sensitive plant, and also shame plant. That known for the leaf is fall when we touch. So MIMOSA pudica is a creeping annual and also is a perennial flowering plant that is often grown for a curiosity value. The sensitive component of leaf that fall inward and drop when we touch or when we shake, and also it reopen after a few minutes later, and it's also well known for rapid plant movement. So for the more additional information, our group members going to explain about the taxonomy and classification, also the ecological role and habitat of the MIMOSA pudica. Stay tuned.
Kingdom MIMOSA pudica is kingdom plantae. Kingdom plantae include four plants. They are eukaryotic, multicellular, and autotrophic organism. The plants can have a rigid cell wall. Plants have chloroplast and chlorophyll pigment, which is required for photosynthesis. Next phylum for MIMOSA pudica is Trachyphyta. The meaning transit plant refer for the water conducting cell that show spiral band like those in the wall of the trachea.
Hi, my name is Subga Munyadi. The class of this MIMOSA pudica plant is Magnoliopsida and also known as Dicotyledons. This Magnoliopsida is one of the phylum of Magnoliophyta. It is a valid botanical name for all flowering plants, and it is the most primitive flowering plant. It includes 413 families, 55 orders, and 273,000 of species. This type of plants are tetramerous and pentamerous. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Muka. Today I'm going to talk about orders. The plant that we choose is MIMOSA pudica. Fables is an order of flowering plants included in the Rosette group of Eudicodes in the Angiosperm phylogeny group 2 classification system. In the APG2 circumcision, this order is included in the families Fabaceae, legumes, Polygalaceae, milkworts, and so on. A common characteristic of this plant is a decent seed pod containing seeds arranged in a row or individually in a section. The feature contains 10 or more stamens. Another feature of this plant in common is order of symbiosis with nitrogen-fixing bacteria. But finally, from this we can know that MIMOSA pudica plant, which is shame plant, is a perennial flowering plant of Fabaceae, a family of legume. Thank you.
The sensitive plant, also known as MIMOSA pudica, is part of the Fabaceae family due to its shared characteristics such as flower structure, pollen structure, seed structure, and nutritional characteristics. These similarities has indicate that MIMOSA pudica is closely related to other legumes and belongs to the Fabaceae family.
The taxonomy and classification for genus of these sensitive plants is Mimosa. Mimosa is a large genus of plants in the pea family, Fabaceae, and Mimosa pudica is one of its well-known species. Mimosa is genus of about 400 species of herbs and shrubs in the subfamily Mimosaceae of the legume family Fabaceae. The species of MIMOSA pudica is simply pudica. Pudica is a Latin term that translates to shy or modest, and this word is often used to describe plants whose leaf is folded inward when being touched. habitat for Mimosa pudica is a width of weathered coastal area, particularly in tropical and subtropical regions. It is mostly found in plantation crops, disturbed sites, pastures, west area, parks, lawn garden, and also along roadsides. Okay, for the next for the ecological role, Mimosa pudica has an ecological role as a plant that grows in disturbed area and wastelands, and also along roadsides. It is able to survive in soil with low nutrient concentration and requires disturbed soil to establish itself. Next, the plant is known to be weedy and invasive in many tropical countries, including Burundi, Kenya, Malawi, Uganda, and countries in Asia and the Pacific. And next, about its propagals also can disperse through sticking to mammals' hairs and also human clothing. This invasive behaviors makes it a major weight of many tropical crops. Therefore, the ecological role of Mimosa pudica is to colonize disturbed areas, contribute to soil stabilization, and potentially impact the growth of the other plant species in its invaded range. Okay, for two other point, let me call for my friend to make the next explanation about 2 points. Okay. Hello Tanya, can you explain about 2 more points for our assignment? Okay, thank you.
Hello Sabrina. Sure, Mimosa, right? Okay. So, first of all, Mimosa plant is a very sensitive plant that plays an important role in our ecosystem. So, Mimosa plant stabilizes the soil content with its extensive root system, which is crucial to prevent soil erosion, especially in tropical and subtropical regions. Secondly, this Mimosa plant releases a type of chemical that inhibit the growth of other plants, allowing it to dominate and alter the local plant community system. And Mimosa plant usually thrives in wetter coastal areas. You can easily find them in plantation crops, lawns, lakes, gardens, even roadside too. Other than that, Mimosa plant often invades agricultural land such as sugarcane and maize. Thank you.
To ask a person a question. Let's see, what is it? Hey Nabila,
I don't know.
can I ask you a question about Mimosa pudica?
What's question?
The question sound, where is the origin of Mimosa pudica?
Mimosa pudica origin from South and Central America.
Okay, that's all.
Thank you.
Hey Adina,
Yes, Nabila.
what are you looking at?
I'm looking at this Mimosa pudica.
Oh, what role does Mimosa pudica play in the ecosystem?
Mimosa pudica plays roles in ecosystem by assisting nitrogen fixation in the soil and providing habitat for small insects like ants and more. Thank you.
Last but not least, this study revealed that Mimosa pudica and its numerous biotic compounds have a strong therapeutic against virus disease. So love the world, love the nature. That's all from us. Thank you.